Front Clever, započetak. Back Clever. Jednoručni skip.
10! No, šetnice po zraku. Ajmo kazalište! Ice podrška Ivanu, ajmo! 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 Ajde!
Jurčić na pensu. Nemoguće ne postoji.
Opasno načural!
Litice, vrkava. Gotovo. Ajmo Ivane.
Now it's time to win the master. The master.
Rocky!
Now it's time to win the master.
Magnesia. Treba. Czekaj. Golo. Treba. Front lever. Zastała i to kapa Gondoga Piesek Hvala Ivanu Dino mnie Skućiło mi zlecić sad Rob ciągnie Evo ga Dino He's falling Tomislav Vita Stušek
My star in the booth, picking off the like and put the shit back on. So I got the game cut like the cops. With the east side jack, I love to them. Anybody wanna hate up, they get a mother, but you will never ever, so I got scrubs to them. I'm in the city with all the good die young, the old don't make it. Better grind ready for whatever, boy, don't mistake it. That they know what we claim, cause we rollin', motherfuckers, EST and we gang, bitch. You can't kill them right now. You killing them. ES is the movement. Get with it and get lost. If you can't, you ready to go in. Let's load up another one of them clips, boy. Let's go. Whoever. The white boy of the Midwest with them fucking numbers. The whole world wanna fucking commerce. Line for the hoes out to the VIP. Everybody know number 23, but I'm in the court ballin' MVP. Bitch. Let me take a little sip of the vitamin water. Cause I'm good. She got the best part. You gonna fuck my day up. No longer the kid, must be don't make it draw sag. In that bitch like give me all that. So what else you think a little kid with a drink on do? Like fuck it, the middle finger crew. The jealous trying to degrade my name. Y'all must have lost your fucking melons, boy. Are you serious? Shit. You think if you can't run this shit? If you can't twist it off, like you ever pen in the pad or do damage? Do it till they get the I'm the baddest. Spider-Man. See you safe? Put me in the hard
Idemo što još spremaju.
It's that real this time around. Technique. Revolutionary volume 2. It's on now, motherfucker. Lock and load. This is the point of no return. I can never go back. Life without parole. Upstate, shackled and trapped. Living in the hole. Looking at the world through a crack. Fuck that. I'd rather shoot it out than get clapped. Going too far. come back to me. I'll shoot its gas chamber full of psychotomy. Just like the Spanish exterminating Tainos, raping the black and Indian women, creating Latinos. Motherfuckers made me out of self-righteous hatred, and now you got yourself a virus stuck in the matrix. A suicide bomber strapped and ready to blow. Lethal injection strapped down, ready to go. Don't you understand? Never let me live out in peace. Concrete jungle, gorilla war out in the streets. Nat Turner with the sickle, pitchfork and machete. The end of the world, motherfucker, you not ready. This is a point of no return, nobody can stop it. Malcolm Little when he knelt before Elijah Muhammad, the comet that killed the dinosaurs, changing the earth. They love to criticize, they always say I changed for the worse. Like prescription pills when you misuse them, nigga. The Templar Knights when they took Jerusalem, nigga, and figured out what was buried under Solomon's temple, Al-Aqsa. Pain is not coincidental. I know too much. The government is trying to murder me. No coming back like cutting your wrists open vertically. How would the serpent be purposely put in charge of the country? Genetic engineered sickness spreading amongst me. My people are so hungry they attack without reason, like a fucking dog ripping off the hand that feeds him. Immortal technique is treason to the Patriot Act. So come and get me, motherfucker, 'cause I'm not coming back. This is the point from which I can never return. And if I back down now, then forever I burn. This is the point from which I can never retreat. 'Cause if I turn back now, there can never be peace. This is the point from which I will die, succeed, live in the struggle. I know I'm alive when I bleed. From now on, it can never be the same as before. It's the place that I'm from. Doesn't exist.